Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Haikal Abdul Razi. Today, our group want to present about a project report. So, for the abstract at the IKEA, our team conduct an agronomy analysis. To conduct our group study, we have decided to employ the Nolimira product. The responder will show all the products dimension as well as how the body should be positioned when using it. As a result, the insight from the respondent is our group team in coming up with a fresh concept to fix and a more agronomic way of using this device to accomplish all the necessary goals. So for the introduction of the project, agronomy is a study of individual work with the aim reduction physical stress and disruptive injuries such as overuse injuries, posture and more serious musculoskeletal illness. Agronomics tries to reduce size injuries by development work environment, tools, tasks and equipment that help workers maintain their physical health. There are three categories of agronomics such as physical, cognitive and organizational. And this is a field attempt to improve social and technology system as well as their organizational structures and policies. In this project, our group choose Nolimira. This Nolimira is a lounge chair placed in the living room. This lounge chair is used to rest, book and watch television in the living room. This lounge chair needs to be improved so that it is more comfortable to use, which requires an ergonomic design to be emphasized in its development. So for the statement problem, when we observe this recliner, there were several problems that we found. One of them is that it does not have a headrest. This causes adult user to do not feel comfortable to use. In addition, it does not have an armrest on the sides, which cause user to not be able to rest their hands. Furthermore, the head of the person sitting exceeds the height of the seat back and can cause fatigue and tension in the neck area. Then for the project objective and the scope of the project, the objective of this project is to identify the problem found in IKEA product that is a Nolimira and provide some ideas to be improved so that product provide comfort to user who use it for a long time. The scope of this project is a chair that is used to sit on or and can be used as a rest chair.
Okay, now I will talk about the literature review. So, for this literature review, I will talk about the lawn chair. So, lawn chair are iconic piece of furniture known for their comfort, style, and relaxation in dressing qualities. These are literature review explore the design principle and user experience associated with lawn chair. This review aim to offer a true overview of significant design movement and the effect of lawn chair design on user comfort and well-being by looking at a variety of quality articles and sources. So nowadays there are a lot of type of lawn chair, but the lawn chair that we choose for discover is non-mirror. So for the dimension of this product, um, this product have a width of 64 centimeter, depth of 75 centimeter, height 75 centimeter, seat width 59 centimeter, seat depth 46 centimeter, and seat height is 40 centimeter. Next, I will talk about the result and analysis. So for this result analysis, a Google form has been made by our group to get some feedback from publics. So within 3 days, we get 31 feedbacks from the UTHM student and also from maybe their parents. So in the Google form, there are two main questions that we ask. Firstly, about the the chair is comfortable enough for long-term use. And from the Google form, it's seen that majority agree that the chair is suitable for long-term use. Next, we also give there some option to how us can improve the product. So there are four options that we give, which is additional of armrest, um, increase the width of the chair, um, increase the height of the chair, and increase the height of the chair. So for the most big answer is to add the armrest so that we can be relaxed and we can lay our hand on it.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I will be going to talk about suggestion of improvement based on the drawing and efficiency value. So based on the condition of the equipment that we inspect at IKEA, a few improvement may be made to ensure that it is more ergonomic. People may profit from these modifications as a result of the equipment being more comfortable and long-lasting. Additionally, it can avoid any accidents or pain from prolonged use of this product. So the first addition is addition of armrest. Based on the example of equipment we took at IKEA, which is non-mirror, there is no armrest. Studies show that sitting on a chair without armrest can be harmful to the spine, as it forces the back to stay in a position that is not natural. You will end up leaning forward, which will make you lose lumbar support and curve your spine, hence more back pain. For that, we decided to add armrests so that armrests help keep the upper body in a more upright position. They reduce strain on muscles in the neck and shoulder region by eliminating slouching while sitting or leaning over while standing. The next is the addition of chair cushion. According to the non-mirror piece of equipment we examined at IKEA, it is constructed of steel and has a rough texture. When this chair is used for an extended amount of time, the user may experience discomfort. Therefore, to make the chair more comfortable for the user, our team fitted a cushion to it. We improved the chair so that it may be used for extended periods of time without making the user uncomfortable. The next is addition of adjustable headrest. Based on the non-mirror that we examined at IKEA, it has no headrest which can lead to discomfort to the user. We decided to add an adjustable headrest to the product. This part is adjustable so that the user can adjust according to their height and comfort. Maintaining proper posture while seated in an office chair is crucial. The spine should be neutral and the shoulders should be pushed back. This helps to increase circulation and lower the risk of back pain. However, a headrest might promote a more relaxed stance, leading the shoulder to slump and the head to tilt forward. Decreased circulation and stress in the neck and upper back may result from this. And lastly, the change of structure of the base. We change the base of the chair so that it will be more stable. This will ensure the user's safety. This is because it will reduce the risk of the user from from the chair. So next, I will talk about the safety issues for this product. So as we know, finding the correct chair is crucial since injuries brought on by prolonged sitting are a severe threat to workplace health and safety. Even though sitting job doesn't involve as much physical effort, they still expose workers to the same risk of injury as more physically demanding jobs. For instance, those who work in a seated posture such as clerks, electronic assembly line workers, and data input operators also experience back pain, muscle tightness, and pains. Sitting personnel are more likely to report varicose veins stiff necks, and leg numbness than are those performing heavier duties. Additionally, it has been discovered that inactive time is linked to health issues like metabolic syndrome, which includes diabetes, heart disease, and poor mental health. So the general safety issues that commonly related to chair is don't tip the chair. You run the risk of toppling your chair if you spend a day leaning over to look at other people's work or enjoy kicking your feet up. Broken or sprained bones can result from falls of even a few feet. Maintaining a level chair will lessen this risk. The next one is avoid using broken chairs. A chair is broken if it lacks a wheel or armrest, is stuck at one height, or is angled awkwardly. Even though the chair appears secure, with extended use it could easily tip or break more. Long term, purchasing a new chair is preferable to repeatedly coping with a hazardous chair. As soon as you can, think about switching to a brand new office chair or a perfectly functional used chair. Employees should spend a few minutes at the beginning of the workday adjusting the headrest, armrest, and height of the chairs. By doing this in the morning, there shouldn't be any distractions from a bad seat later in the day. Lastly, they must take a break. Continuous sitting is incredibly bad for long-term health. Workers should stand up and take a quick walk at least once an hour. If they work with computers, this is good opportunity to rest their eyes from monitor strain. That's all from me. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Taufiqul Hakim bin Muhammad. Okay, today I would like to present about the contextual knowledge of safety and responsibility, which is from the public interest and social impact. Hence, the suggestion and response obtained by response are request to have armrest. The purpose of this armrest is to make it more comfortable for people to put their hand there. Furthermore, there are also requests to make the base higher, which is for the higher people to make it comfortable. Okay, next is the appendix for the Nolmira chair. There's some picture of us measuring the product and doing testing on the product. We are also discussing about the idea of improvement for the Nolmira chair.
And a conclusion. In our conclusion, our group managed to solve the problem faced by the product by making improvements such as putting an armrest on the side so that the user can put their hand on that part. In addition, we also put a backrest to so that the user can rest his head. Improve this, the user can use with ultimate and satisfactory use, and the user also feel comfortable using this chair for the maximum period. Finally, we hope that this in improvement on this product, the user will find a comfort when using this product.